Nowadays, there are so many things that help us to fight COVID-19, such as masks, hand washing, sanitize, vaccines, social distancing, and so on. That today I'm going to show you abdominal breathing exercise to help you lungs healthy. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Health Tips with Serpina. COVID-19 has been with us more than 18 months now. Vaccines have been used for more than 8 months, and 57% of Britain's population is now fully vaccinated. However, as all you know, the Delta variant suddenly became serious. So despite some normality appearing, even if you have been vaccinated, you still need to be vigilant. So today and next week, I'm going to share with you information regarding breathing and lungs meridian acupuncture exercise to help strengthen your lungs functions and improve immunity. When you breathe, air is transformed into a source of life through the body by creating oxygen. Together, they combine to keep you alive. So, strengthening the process can be enhanced by breathing exercises. It's called abdominal breathing. It allows you to breathe in more and fresh air, which makes your lungs feel comfortable and energized. To do it, you can lie down, sit up, and stand up. If you sit up, keep your back straight. If you stand up, keep your feet a shoulder width apart and back straight. If you are lying down, you will find this exercise easier. I will show you how to do this later. When you breathe normally, as you breathe in and out, you lift your chest up and down, like this. However, abdominal breathing is the opposite of this. When you inhale, air pushes direct from your chest into abdominal cavity. You feel the change in pressure. Now you do this exercise. Remember, first you inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Second, you inhale through the nose to create abdominal distension, which is the expand of the belly. You hold 3 seconds. Then you exhale through the mouth, belly in. I will do that again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. Inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. If you're lying down, you inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, nose, exhale, mouth. Look at how the belly changes in size and shape. When you do abdominal breathing, you will push the diaphragm muscle between the chest and abdominal cavity down to the bottom of the abdomen, so that some toxins and carbon dioxide in the bottom of your abdomen will be discharged with the breath. As a result, you can breathe more clear air. Abdominal breathing exercises can be done anytime, anywhere, every day. If you can, I recommend that you go outside, for example, where there are trees, water, and fresh air. You do 5 to 8 minutes a day in 2 or 3 minutes sessions. By the way, abdominal breathing is very good too for high blood pressure and insomnia. Long-term adherence can improve immunity, make you feel better, and help you to stay healthy. That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to your family and friends, and let's see more people benefit. By the way, if you subscribe my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.